Alright, Hawkins here.
There's a Butler Hawkins.
With Chickenhawkfarmstead. And today we got an update about the house. House was on the market for 4 days, roughly 5 days. Went on the market on Thursday, had a bunch showing this weekend, a couple on Monday. Monday night we got an offer. Tuesday morning we sent a counter offer and they accepted. So it went really quick. So now we got anywhere from 30 to 45 days for their loan to close. And we got to be out of here. And we got to get everything packed up and get going. So today I was off work and we went ahead and looked at some houses again. Try to figure out exactly which manufactured home we wanted to go with. And when we talked to one of the guys that worked at the manufactured home place, apparently there's a lot of people buying manufactured homes right now and putting them on land. So instead of being 8 to 12 weeks to get that done, he said up to 5 months. This is August, and he's like, yeah, they're booked up to like next February. So they did have one model on the lot that we were looking at. It's a little bit more than we wanted to spend, but it's something we're considering right now. And we're going tomorrow to look at another place to see what they have on the lot right now, because they had one or two, I think, on the lot last time we looked that we might like. So we got a lot of stuff to do, don't we?
Yeah.
A lot of packing to do, and then we got to get water and electric ran out there, and yeah, all kinds of stuff. So, you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Super excited.
Super excited to have somebody live in our house. And we're gonna go live at Granny and Papa's maybe.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
But if we get a lot model, is one thing they said. I mean, we could have that thing out there within about a week or so. So, if we go with a lot model, it'd be a lot quicker. Like I said, at the other place, I can't remember the manufacturer who they used at the place we went today. But my wife said something about Winston houses. And they may not be as booked up as this other place. So, let's see how all that works out.
At Mommy.
But like I said, tomorrow we got another big day of looking at a few homes. We're actually going to sign for the property tomorrow is the plan. So that'll be in our name. And we got to start calling the water and electric place to see what it's going to take to get all those hooked up. So, anything else you can think of?
Well, you didn't see us after we move in to our new house.
Yeah, I think we're going to talk to them and tell them about all the different parts as we go through it.
Yeah.
I mean, we'll see about how the septic goes, how the water hook up, electric, everything. But that's all we got today. And seeing that we got like 30 days, looks like we're going to have a lot coming up in the next few days. So don't forget to subscribe and see us how it goes. Or like I said, this is going to be all put into a playlist. And yeah, so you can kind of see how the process went. Hopefully everything goes smooth and nothing gets crazy. Alright, that's it for now.
Bye. From Dad.
From Chickenhawkfarmstead.
Dad.